Exercise 3.2, example number 8. Integration 3 cos x divided by 4 sin square x plus 4 sin x, 4 sin x minus 1 dx. This is example number 8, exercise 3.2c. Now solution of this. Let I is equal to given integration. Integration 3 cos x upon 4 sin square x plus 4 sin x minus 1 dx. For solution, put sin x equal to t. Substitution, put sin x equal to t. Differentiate this with respect to x. Cos x dx is equal to dt. Equation 1 becomes I is equal to integration cos x dx as a dt, therefore cos x dx as a dt, sin x equal to t, I write 3 upon 4 t square plus 4t minus 1 cos x dx as a dt, it is dt. Now this is quadratic equation, that is first make coefficient of t square as a 1, t square का coefficient 1 बनवायचं, that is 4 common, integration 1 by t square plus t minus 1 by 4 dt. To make this as a perfect square, we add and subtract coefficient of t upon 2 bracket square is equal to coefficient of t, that is here coefficient of t as a 1 by 2 bracket square is equal to 1 by 4. Add and subtract 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4 integration 1 by t square plus t plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and original minus 1 by 4 dt. That is equal to then is equal to 3 by 4 integration 1 by, now first three terms, that is t plus 1 by 2 bracket square and minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, it is minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2, it is dt, is equal to 3 by 4 integration 1 by t plus 1 by 2 bracket square minus 1 by root 2 bracket square or dt. Now use standard formula, that is integration of 1 by x square minus a square type, 1 by x square minus a square 1 by 2a log that type, that is equal to 3 by 4 integration of this directly is equal to 3 by 4 1 by 2a, 2 into a means 1 by root 2 log modulus x minus a t plus 1 by 2 as x minus 1 by root 2 upon t plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus constant of integration as a c, that is root 2 cancel, 3 upon 4 root 2 log modulus, this is a cross multiply, common denominator as a 2t plus 1 minus root 2, common denominator as a 2 divided by, here again 2t plus 1 plus root 2, common denominator as a 2 again plus c. Now 2 to cancel, this 2 to cancel, 3 upon 4 root 2 log modulus 2t plus 1 minus root 2 upon 2t plus 1 plus root 2 plus c. Now resubstitute again, t is equal to what? T is equal to sin x. That is 3 by 4 root 2 log modulus 2 sin x plus 1 minus root 2 upon 2 sin x plus 1 plus root 2 plus c. Now this is the answer. Now this is the question number 8 from exercise 3.2 C. 8 number question. डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये साइन मध्ये क्वाड्रॅटिक आहे, याचं साइनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह न्यूमरेटरला ऍडजस्ट आहे cos x, देयरफॉर सबस्टिट्यूशन टाइप sin x इक्वल टू t टाकणार, cos x dx dt बनतोय, हा क्वाड्रॅटिकला कन्वर्ट होईल. क्वाड्रॅटिक t स्क्वेअरला कोएफिशिएंट 1 बनवायचा आहे, त्यामुळे 4 कॉमन. परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर बनवायचा आहे, t चा कोएफिशिएंट सिलेक्ट केला 1/2, 1/t चा कोएफिशिएंट 1 अपॉन 2 करणार, 1/2 चा स्क्वेअर 1/4 प्लस मायनस 1/4 ऐड करणार, सिंप्लिफाय आंसर. Example number 9. Example number 9. That is last example, exercise 3.2 C. The question is, example number 9. Integration square root e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x divided by e raised to x plus 1 dx. Now solution. Let I is equal to given integration first. Given integration is I. E raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to x plus 1 dx. This is given integration. Now I write this square root e raised to 2x common from numerator, e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 1 dx. न्यूमरेटर मधून e raised to 2x कॉमन घेतला, या दोघांमधून e raised to 2x कॉमन, remaining here e raised to x minus 1, denominator as it is. Now e raised to 2x out, that is square root, therefore e raised to x out, square root e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 1 dx. Now this is again substitution, put e raised to x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x, e raised to x dx is equal to dt. Then equation number 1 becomes I is equal to integration this e raised to x dx as a dt, e raised to x dx as a dt, and therefore integration t minus 1 upon t plus 1, this is dt. Now I write this I is equal to rationalize integration square root t minus 1 upon t plus 1, then rationalize with this t minus 1 upon t minus 1 dt, that is integration square root t minus 1 square divided by, here t minus 1 that is 2 times, therefore square t minus 1 square, denominator a plus b a minus b, a square minus b square, t square minus 1 dt. Now here square root and square cancel at numerator, therefore integration t minus 1 divided by square root t square minus 1 dt. This is I. Now separate integrations. I is equal to integration t upon square root t square minus 1 dt minus 1 upon square root t square minus 1 dt. Separate integrations. Now in first integration just put t square minus 1 is equal to t. Put t square minus 1 is equal to some new variable, that is p, suppose p. Differentiate with respect to t, then 2t dt is equal to dp. That is t dt is equal to dp upon 2. I is equal to integration dp upon 2, and this is square root p. Second integration, a direct answer, it is formula 1 by square root x square minus a square type. That is log modulus t plus square root t square minus 1. In first integration 1 by 2 as it is, integration dp upon root p minus log modulus t plus square root t square minus 1. Now dp upon root p means what? Again root p means p raised to 1 by 2, and then numerator, that is minus. I write I is equal to 1 by 2 as it is, integration p raised to minus 1 by 2 dp minus log modulus t plus square root t square minus 1. 1 by 2 integration p raised to increase 1, p raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 minus log modulus t plus square root t square minus 1 plus constant of integration as a c. This 1 by 2 cancel. P raised to 1 by 2 means again root p minus log mod t plus square root t square minus 1 plus c. Resubstitute for this p is equal to t square minus 1. It is t square minus 1 minus log modulus t plus square root t square minus 1 plus c. Now t is equal to, again resubstitute, t is equal to what? E raised to x. Again put t is equal to e raised to x. That is e raised to 2x minus 1 minus log modulus e raised to x plus square root e raised to 2x minus 1 plus c. Now this is the final answer.